Hey guys, good afternoon. So it's Mao here once again. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be another cooking video, and today I will be cooking another very easy Korean recipe, and this is my favorite Korean soup. So as you can see, I am preparing right now the ingredients for our broth. So ayan, I prepared already our dried kelp, and then we need some radish and some green onions. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this cooking video, and if you want to see kung ano yung magiging outcome nito, please keep on watching. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button below so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. And then after slicing the radish and the green onions, put all the ingredients, the kelp, the radish and the green onions into a cooking pot, and add 2 cups of water, and then add 1.5 tablespoon of anchovy powder to give flavor to our broth, and then bring it to boil. And now, while waiting our broth to boil, so I'll be preparing all other ingredients for this recipe. And these are all other ingredients that we need for this recipe. So we have kimchi, we have red pepper paste, we have green and white onions, we have tofu, and of course our small cut pork. And guys, wag din kakalimutan na magdagdag ng anchovy powder depending on your taste buds. So checking now our broth. So ayan, pwede na yan. So you need to take out all the vegetables and the kelp that is in it, kasi yung soup lang naman yung kailangan natin. So yeah. And now, let's start our cooking. So, yeah, hindi pa tayo nagsisimula guys, kasi gumawa lang naman tayo kanina nung broth natin. So, ayan, put the kimchi in the cooking pot and then add the white onions. And then, after that, add na natin yung pork. Ayan, so ganyan lang, ipagpatong lang siya. And next, add 2 cups of our broth, yung ginawa natin kanina. So ayan siya. And then add a tablespoon of red pepper paste to make it spicy. Alright, so our recipe of the day has been cooked, and And here's the bonus recipe for today. So naalala nyo yung kelp kanina, yung ginamit natin for our broth. So wag nyong itapon yun guys kasi sayang, magagamit pa yun and medyo may kamahalan din kaya yun. So now ituturo ko sa inyo kung anong ginagawa ko kapag nagluluto ako ng ganito. So ayan, as you can see, I just put sesame oil dun sa kelp, and then I have a flour, an egg, and then breadcrumbs. So what I am going to do is I'll be making it crackers, and masarap siya guys, so try nyo. Okay, so para sumarap siya, nilalagyan ko siya ng seasoning. So as you have seen kanina, naglagay ako ng liquid seasoning, and then I sprinkled it with ground pepper, and then saka ko siya i-dip sa egg, and then sa flour, and next is to the breadcrumbs, and then ready to fry. So if you wanna see kung ano yung magiging result niya, just keep on watching, and basta all I can say is that masarap siya guys. You are eating a kelp cracker. So yeah, highly recommend. So kapag magluluto kayo ng kimchi jjigae and then nasasayang nyo lang yung kelp nyo, so much better you make it crackers. So wala kang masasayang, may masarap at healthy crackers ka pa. Try nyo guys. And there you have it guys. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed it. And sana may natutunan kayo kahit papaano. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much at sinamahan nyo ako today. So kapag hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button below so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Bye!